Good morning to everyone. A warm welcome to you all for today's workshop on alternate energy. At the outset, I would like to invite Professor S. Vijayabhaskar Rao Garu, Dean R&D onto the dais. Now I would like to invite Professor Ramashri, ECE, onto the dais. I would like to call upon Sri Vamsikrishna Raila, CEO, SVU Nusa, onto the dais. Now I request our Chief Guest, Mr. Srinivas Dharanikota, Mobility Engineering Specialist, onto the dais. Let's start the program with prayer by Ms. Sri Lakshmi, Performing Arts.
Rajam bhaje, Sri Rajam bhaje, Sri Rajam bhaje, Sri Rajam bhaje, Sankatamaham Kunjaramukam Sankarasutam Sri Rajam bhaje, Sankatamaham Nanti Kunjaramukam Anbhakantakasutam Tamiha Sri Rajam bhaje, Sri Rajam bhaje, Sri Rajam bhaje, Sevita Surendra Mahaniya Gunaseenam, Sevita Surendra Mahaniya Gunaseenam, Jagataka Samadhi Sukhavara Anukulam, Bhavika Suramuni Ganabhatta Paripalam, Bhayankara Vishangamatanga Kulakalam, Sri Rajam bhaje, Sri Rajam bhaje, Sri Rajam bhaje, Sri Rajam bhaje, Sri Rajam bhaje.
So now I request Professor Ramashri ma'am to talk a few words on this program.
Respected professors and today's eminent speaker on the stage, and my dear students and the other invitees, pleasant good morning to all of you. I'm just here like you people to learn something extra, like whatever, to add some knowledge so that I can advise the students to start some startups or some ideas or whatever it is. Just I'm waiting the speech of sir. I think just one thing which I wanted to tell you is ఏదో పిలిచాము వచ్చాము అని కాకుండా జస్ట్ స్టే ఫోకస్డ్ అండ్ పే అటెన్షన్. ఏదో ఒక పాయింట్ దగ్గర మీ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ అంతా ఏదో ఉంటుంది కదా, రీసెర్చ్ ఆర్ వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ ఈస్, ఇట్ విల్ షోర్లీ షూట్ అప్ సమ్ ఐడియా. ఎందుకంటే ఎస్పెషల్లీ దిస్ ఆల్టర్నేట్ ఎనర్జీ అనేది ఇప్పుడు వన్ ఫార్మ్ టు అదర్ ఫార్మ్ అనేది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఖచ్చితంగా ఇప్పుడు స్టార్ట్అప్స్ మనకి రూసా తరఫున ఐ థింక్ దే ఆర్ గివింగ్ ఫండింగ్ ఆల్సో టు స్టార్ట్ యువర్ స్టార్ట్అప్ ఆర్ వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ ఈస్. నౌ ద డే ఈజ్ స్టార్ట్అప్స్. జాబ్స్ ఏమున్నా కూడా స్టార్ట్అప్సే కాబట్టి ఒక చిన్న ఇగ్నిషన్, వాటెవర్ సార్ ఇస్ గోయింగ్ టు టెల్ యూ, స్మాల్ ఐడియా విల్ టర్న్ యువర్ లైఫ్ ఇంటూ మల్టిపుల్ థింగ్స్. సక్సెస్ఫుల్ పీపుల్ అంతా కూడా స్టార్ట్అప్స్ వాళ్ళే, గుర్తు పెట్టుకోండి. కాబట్టి జస్ట్ పే అటెన్షన్. ఇక్కడ ఉన్న ఒక 40 minutes పక్క పడేసేయండి, సెల్ ఫోన్స్ అవన్నీ స్విచ్ ఆఫ్ చేసి పడేయండి. మనకు ఒక పెద్ద రోగం ఏదున్నా కూడా ఫోన్ మీద, ఈవెన్ ఐఎమ్ లైక్ దట్, నాట్ ఓన్లీ యూ పీపుల్. సో మెజారిటీ ఆర్ అడిక్టెడ్ టు ద ఫోన్స్. అవన్నీ పక్కన పడేసి ఒక 40 minutes, 45 minutes whatever the శ్రీనివాసన్ సార్ is going to just say, pay attention. ఒక చిన్న పాయింట్ చాలు మీ లైఫ్ టర్నింగ్. ఓకే, విష్ యూ ఆల్ ద బెస్ట్. Stay focused. Thanks for this opportunity.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So now I request Professor S. Vijayabhaskar Rao Garu to specially address the program.
Respected dignitaries on the dais and my dear students from physics, chemistry, and engineering, I suppose. But I was like expecting at least 200 students. Somehow the number is not that good, but still okay. At least some of you have come for this lecture. Uh, Today, all of you know that we are talking about alternate energy sources from quite long, for 10 years, 15 years back. They have started to solar energy, wind energy, thermal energy, hydro energy, nuclear energy. All those things have been there. Okay. But now the thing has come, the government is also going to rethink, because how do you sustain all the natural resources? After you are using all the resources for quite long, suppose the sources are disappeared, then what is to be done? There should be some alternate energy sources. Of course, solar energy is also an alternate energy source. When we are coming to the efficiency part of it, we cannot drive vehicles and all those things with low cost. Some vehicles are coming, even they are operating with solar energy also. So we have alternatively what we have to think is, how do we go for another source of energy, where in case of emergency we have to switch from one system to the other. So today the central government is also coming up in a big way. Hydrogen is one of the source for the alternate energy. Okay, I don't know how many people know that the hydrogen project has been sanctioned. Central government is giving some thousands of crores for this hydrogen project, hydrogen mission. Similarly, deep ocean mission also thousands of crores they are going to sanction. Already sanctioned. They're all pipeline. Now just now speaker was telling about ethanol. Now they are also going from hydrogen to ethanol. How to do that? So when you have this hydrogen, you can simply produce hydrogen from water. You don't just need only an electricity. You split the molecules, right? So you can get this hydrogen. You can use water as a fuel. Convert them into hydrogen to drive your vehicles. Now the battery cells also coming in a big way, where you can use hydrogen cells. Okay, so all these things are coming up with low cost. If you can use make this hydrogen, then our energy systems, even your electricity, your vehicles, and all those things can be used effectively with low cost. But of course, we should also think, when we are talking about ethanol, biodiesel, or hydrogen, and all those things. Again, the point of sustainability will come, because all these efforts, the alternate energy sources, why we are going for alternate energy? Because fossil fuels are affecting your climate system. So climate change was a concern. Then carbon dioxide, methane, and all those things are affecting our environment. So to avoid that, to keep you in view of the climate change, to keep your global warming, we are coming to alternate energies. Similarly, when you are going for ethanol or hydrogen or biodiesel, whatever it is, we should also make a note that these techniques should not hamper our climate change system. We should also keep note of how we are going to do the design process and all those things. So the point what I am trying to say is, this is a new topic, new subject. There is ample opportunity to do research, innovations, incubations, or startups and anything, because once the system is announced, government is pumping money, you should be in the line, you should be in a queue to take at least a part of that grant. At least few startups, few things, proposals should come from the university side. That is what we are trying to do it. So we are trying to introduce a topic here where you can think what I can do, generating hydrogen or using biodiesel and all those things. Can we have an idea of going for a small project? Can we go for a startup type of a thing and all those things? So this keeping in view, today we have invited him. He's a very eminent person working with the industry and has a lot of experience. So I think I'm also eagerly waiting for his speech. I said, let us not have formalities. Let's go direct to the top. Okay. So, sir, thank you for accepting our invitation, coming over here, and I thank my RUSA team for arranging this lecture. So, I am also eager to wait and see, listen to him, and I will also learn something from his talk. Thank you for giving this opportunity.
Thank you so much for the input, sir. Now I request Sri Vamsi Krishna Raila, CEO SVRUSA, to introduce the program.
Good morning to all. Thank you, Srinivas, for accepting this invitation and being with us to talk to our students about the alternate energies. And thanks to the faculty who are here to support the students from the RUSA and from the Department of EC from Engineering College. More than about the program, I wanted to tell you quickly about what we are doing at the Incubation Center. Most of you are still not aware that there is an innovation and incubation cell or center in SE. So we have basically a startup incubator where you get support of physical infrastructure. Like you can come and work as if like it will be a physical office where you can start working with us. You can start building your prototypes, or you can try out your software, whatever it is. And we will give you the market connect, the networking of the professionals in the market, and we will give you workshops on programs like this to understand or know about the new technologies, to give strategic partnerships with support, and a lot of focus areas which we can really support you with. And on top of it, funds. We give you the support of grants and the loans and startup funding from different sources actually. So it's about there are 4 or 5 parameters we connect with your mentors, we connect with your startup funding, we connect with your patent filing. A lot of other services are there. So whatever small idea you have, please come to us and discuss with us, and ensure that this idea has got some validation and value, so that you can further move on. So we have a lot of schemes and facilities like MSME, ASPAR. We are part of MSME incubation facilitation. So we are host institution for MSME. We have applied for technology business incubation from Ministry of Science and Technology. So we are also part of the Agricultural University's Ocean program, and we are part of the Andhra Pradesh Innovation Society. We are part of IIT Tirupati for their iHub Foundation. So there are a lot of opportunities for you to get some grants and funds, and as well as technology support. So we're also having a collaboration with Northeast University and Purdue University of America, and we have cohort programs with them. You can learn some entrepreneurial skills through them, and you can build your startup through the support of Northeast University and Purdue University. We have a website. Please go through our website, and also follow our social networking handles like Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. If you all connect to that pages, the social handle pages, it will be easier for us to communicate. And whenever there is a program, you can automatically come, and you will understand that there is a program, and you can get connected. Unlike whatever we are trying to do now, every time we are trying to send this communication, and circulating the communication to the difficulties, and it is becoming a tough. So at last, we will talk about it this later. We are looking for tech startup interns and idea evaluation support. So we have a QR code stuck on walls outside. So you can register there. You can get connected to the QR code, and we'll keep in touch with you. Thank you very much, and let's have a good session from Mr. Srinivas.
Thank you, sir.